Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming battery and pairing readiness. Charge the case and earbuds until the LED indicates adequate power. This prevents interruptions. Once done, remove both earbuds and keep them in range of your phone. Make sure Bluetooth on your device is on, then open the case. The earbuds will wake and announce pairing. If they don't, long press the earbud button to force pairing mode. This ensures the headphones broadcast their signal so your phone can find them. You'll now pair and learn controls. Tap your device's Bluetooth entry labeled Dime 3 and accept any permission prompts. A confirmation tone means success. Once paired, practice controls. Single tap to play or pause, double tap for next track, and triple tap for previous. These quick gestures save time. Touch and hold usually adjusts volume or triggers your voice assistant. Learn which ear does which. Knowing this allows you to manage audio without pulling out your device, keeping setup smooth and intuitive. You finish by optimizing fit and resolving issues. Swap ear tips until you get a snug seal. The right fit improves bass and noise isolation, so test with familiar music. Place earbuds in the case to finalize firmware or charging. If audio or connection fails, reset by holding both touch sensors for 10 seconds while in the case. This clears pairing conflicts. If problems persist, make sure your phone isn't connected to a higher priority device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.